In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQs, that is number of degrees of freedom of two particles connected by a rigid rod moving freely in a plane is solution. First of all, definition: the number of coordinate required to specify the position of a system of one or more particles is called the number degree of freedom of the system. Second definition, that is a particle moving in space required three coordinates x, y, z to specify its position. Thus number of degrees of freedom is 3. A system of n particles moving in space required 3 n coordinates to specific its position. Thus number of degrees of freedom is 3, and a rigid body which can move freely in space has 6 degrees of freedom. Degree of freedom equal to number of particles multiply number of axes. So degree of freedom is equal to 2 particle 2 axis, it means 2 by 2 is equal to 4. So option C is correct, that is 4. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.